Hi. Nagpaplano ba kayo ng vacation this month or the coming months? So, Drawing Tayo will actually help you to start or open your resort. We have what we call trip board. So, if you go to app.drawingtayo.com, makikita nyo tong page namin. And you have two options. You can log in and then create your account, or you can actually create a new trip without signing up. So right here, I'm gonna create my trip. Um, Nothing. And then I can select my preferences and then preferred resort type. So pool, beach resort, private resort, and then I can if I'm the organizer, pwede ko siyang iset for next month. So, ano lang to, basically, window time lang to. But let's say 5 days lang and 4 nights. And then siguro mga 10 tao. We have an advanced option here kung gusto mo flexible yung date, check-in time, if may preference ka. Usually noon, but we're actually promoting this where maybe we can have this as an option, and then resorts will somehow adapt to this because I know na may mga resorts na allows afternoon check-in and then evening. But yes, we have this option so that you can at least we will forward this to the resorts. And then you can ignore that. If not, then you also have the budget split here. You have total group budget, KKB, custom split, and if hindi pa kayo sure. Then for amenities, we actually have must have and then nice to have amenities. So the difference is you must have, ito yung mga non-negotiables nyo. So for example, birthday ng mga bata. So kailangan may kiddie pool. Or maybe gusto nyo talaga may swimming pool. So add nyo yan. But gusto nyo parehas na may kiddie pool and yung sa adults. Maybe hindi yun yung non-negotiable nyo, maybe beach access. Gusto nyo may karaoke, kitchen, grill, wifi para sa mga nagve-vacation pero nagtatrabaho pa rin, parking. So yes, kung yun yung mga kailangan nyo. And then pet friendly, and then there's many more. Now, nice to have amenities. Ito yung mga optionals na maganda sana kung meron. The reason why we wanted to add this kasi para meron tayong clear distinction kung ano yung mga non-negotiable nyo and yung mga plus, di ba? Kasi maraming research, maraming amenities. So this will help our system and even our AI to give you recommendation. So ngayon, if you have anything else like notes, then you can put them here. Now, once you're done, all you have to do is click create page, and then there you go. It's gonna start creating your trip, and then we'll have a dashboard here. So ito yung dashboard. Makikita nyo to. Pwede nyo i-share tong link sa friends nyo. Pwede nyo yung dismiss. But ito pa rin yan. So you can copy the link and then share it to your friends. You can send it through Messenger, WhatsApp, or Telegram, or email. So ito yung una nating trip status. So we already created the trip, and then we're just gonna wait for group responses. So if you want to invite your friends, you can actually go to tools. This is the tools for the organizer. And then you can click manage invites. So manage invites, you can now invite any of your friends by adding their emails. And in the later development, we're gonna add connections where you already have like friends in the Drawing Tayo app, lalo pag nag-sign up ka ng account. So in this way, you can just click on them and then add them right away. But for now, you can invite them through the link. You can copy the link and then share it to them, or you can invite them via email. So thank you for watching the video, and happy to hear any feedback.